Hey everyone! Welcome to this brand new DSA series, Mastering Data Structures and Algorithms, where we'll start from scratch and build a strong foundation in coding and problem solving. If you're new to coding or struggling with DSA, don't worry. This series is beginner-friendly and structured in a way that helps you learn step by step. Let's first talk about why DSA even matters. Data structures and algorithms are the building blocks of efficient coding. They are not just for interviews, they help you think logically, write optimized code, and solve real-world problems effectively. In almost every technical interview, especially with top companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and many startups, DSA is one of the most heavily tested areas. So, if you're preparing for placements, internships, or cracking online assessments, this is where you need to focus. Now, let's understand what we'll actually be learning. We'll start with basic and essential data structures, like arrays, strings, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. These are your core tools as a developer. Along with that, you'll also learn important algorithmic techniques, like sorting and searching, recursion, dynamic programming, greedy algorithms, and more. These techniques will help you solve a wide variety of problems, not by memorizing solutions, but by truly understanding how to approach them. To guide us through this journey, we'll be using the Love Babbar DSA sheet. It's a structured set of 450 handpicked questions that cover every major topic you'll need. What makes this sheet great is that it's organized in a way that builds your skills step by step, and helps you keep track of your progress as you go. The problems are categorized by topics, so you can focus one area at a time, and they are chosen based on frequently asked interview questions. But solving problems alone isn't enough. Let's talk about how to practice DSA effectively. First, always take time to understand the problem. Know what's being asked, the constraints, and edge cases. Don't jump straight into code. Think about different ways to approach the solution. Write clean, readable code. Use meaningful variable names, and keep your logic modular. Test your solution with different types of inputs, especially edge cases. And finally, always review your code. Could it be more efficient? Could you do it in less space or time? This is how you grow, not just by solving problems, but by reflecting and improving your approach. Now, here's the plan. We'll complete the entire DSA sheet in 1.5 to 2 months. Each video will cover a few problems, with full explanations, dry runs, and coding walkthroughs. And don't worry, the pace will be manageable, even if you're doing this alongside college or a job. We are officially starting tomorrow, and our first topic will be arrays, the simplest but most fundamental data structure. So if you're ready to begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and follow along daily. All you need is consistency, and I promise, you'll see real improvement in your skills. Now let's head over to Geeks for Geeks and take a quick look at the actual Love Babbar DSA sheet. We'll explore the topics, the categories, and mark the questions we'll begin solving from tomorrow. Let's do this together. Let's crack DSA, one question at a time.